Hello and welcome to your class of economics. Now today we are going to revise what we have studied earlier. Means in previous classes we have already studied about the conversion. So we will do it together for your benefit. Okay. So first conversion we did about the domestic income to national income. Then second we did about the gross value to net value or gross income to net income. Okay. Then third we did about the factor cost and market price. So we are seeing again these topics. So if any confusion is there, that will be removed in this class only. Okay. See, the domestic income to national income, then gross value to net value, then factor cost to market price. So the first one, that is domestic to national. Okay, or vice versa with the see domestic. So suppose we want national income. Okay, so that is domestic income plus NFIA, that will give you national income. Okay, what is NFIA? That is received minus paid. Okay, that I told you. You can check the previous class. Then received minus paid, that is NFIA. Means net factor income from abroad. Okay, so national income conversion again you can see. Suppose if your domestic income you are there and you want national income. So what you will do? You will plus NFIA, that is net factor income from abroad. Okay, and suppose national income is there and you have to find domestic income, then what you will do? Minus NFIA. And what is this? NFIA means if the income is coming, if you are deducting NFIA, net income from abroad, then what will left? Only domestic income will left. And if you are adding to domestic income, if you are adding NFIA, means net factor income from abroad, then it will become national income. Okay. Now we see the second topic. Okay, gross value to net value. See, gross value I told you what it is. Purchasing value. Purchase value. Okay, for your remembrance. Okay. Market value. Sorry. Net value. That is actual value. So, gross value is there and net value is there. So what you will do? From gross, you will minus depreciation. So you will get net value. Okay. Then again, if you want depreciation, then what is depreciation? If you want to find what is depreciation, then what it will be? See, gross minus net, you will get depreciation. Okay, so So from gross, if you are moving to net, you need to minus depreciation. And from net, if you want the gross value, you need to add depreciation. Okay. Why? Because gross is inclusive of depreciation amount, and what is net? Net is exclusive of depreciation amount. So we will move on to the next topic. So that topic is factor cost to market price. Okay, see, now factor cost I told you, that is production cost, then you add NIT, then you will get market price. Now what is this NIT? That is net indirect taxes. Okay, and how you can find this NIT? So NIT is equal to indirect taxes minus subsidies. Okay, so you will find NIT, and that you will deduct from the, you will add into factor cost, then it will become market price. Okay, so again you can see the chart. See the chart also. See, factor cost, that is also known as FC, market price, that is also known as. So see the chart, FC to MP. Then what you will do, if you are moving from a factor cost to market price, you will add NIT. Okay, and suppose if you are moving from market price to factor cost, then you will subtract NIT. Okay, because again you are coming to factor cost, price means production cost, so you need to take out all the means taxes which you are going to pay to the government, so it will become factor cost. And if you are going to sell that product in the market, suppose you are converting factor cost to market price, then what you will do, you will just add net the indirect taxes to the factor cost, and it will become market price. To make it more clear and more understanding, we take the example like GDP FC, okay, and that we will convert into NNP MP. Okay, gross domestic product at factor cost to net national product at market price. So we will see this conversion, how the conversion works here. Okay, so NNP MP, see, GDP FC is there. So I told you, when we are moving from gross value to net value, what we will do? We will do depreciation. Okay, so first what we do, from gross when we are converting gross value to net value, we subtract depreciation from that. Okay, then again, now gross and N is over. Now we have to see this domestic and national. Okay, so when we are converting domestic income to national income, what we do? We add NFIA. Okay, so whenever domestic income is there and the income which comes from abroad, we add it and we make it a national product. National income. Then again, what is left? P is common in both, so we need not to do any conversion for that. Now FC and MP. So when production cost amount is there, factor cost is there, so we are converting to market price. What we do? We add taxes there. Okay, plus NIT. So after doing these things, you will get this net national product at market price. So we do the reverse of this to make it more visible, okay, or to make it more understanding. Now see, NNP MP to GDP FC. Now see how we do. So what we want? GDP. FC. So NNP MP. So when you are moving from net value to gross value, what do? We add depreciation. Okay, so gross value is the inclusive of depreciation amount. Okay, now this is over. Now we need to think about we will move stepwise. Okay, so it will be very easy to convert. See, from national income to domestic income. So we need to subtract minus NFIA, net factor income from abroad, and then P is common in both, so we need not to worry about it. So we have to see this market price and factor cost. So now you see, when we are converting the market price to factor cost, what it will be? Then what you will do? Think. So you will minus NIT and it will become factor cost. So these things are there. This is how you are going to convert. Okay. So we will meet up in the next class. So till then, thank you.